welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. It's me again. This time I'm making something a little bit different. We're doing my mind. I don't know what other country will call it, but it's made with beans. We soak these beans overnight, and the next morning wash it and remove the back skin. And then in this recipe we'll be using fish, 2 microfish, we'll be using 3 bell pepper, and we'll be using 2 seasoning, 2 cups of oil, 1 medium size of onions, and a lot of eggs, and 6 peppers. We'll be using organic coconut milk, which is 400 ml, and little bit salt. Remember, beans do not really need too much of salt, so yeah, that's what we'll start from. I don't have crayfish. This recipe needs crayfish, but I don't have crayfish, and I don't want that to disfigure me today, so I'm using a blend boga. So it's boga fish, but you just blend one leftover one, so that's what I'm using. So that simply means you can use the things you have at home to make your own. Yes, that's what I'm doing today. Thank you guys. See what we're doing. I will boil the fish first so I can get the water to blend the beans. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so I put half of the beans in the blender. Remember, we have 8 cups, and this is the cup we use to measure it. I will just add 2 cups of water, then blend. We're done with the first one. I'm adding the coconut milk to this one. I can actually mix it here, but I just decided to do it there, so it mixes better. I add the medium-sized onions and the seasonings. Also, I will add pepper. I can add everything if it fits, but it won't fit. And then grind. We're done with the second one. The Banga one. So I'll just do the oil. So the thing's easy to mix when you mix them together in the blender. This spoon of salt, I have 2 of it. I already used 1 to boil the fish. Now we just add the fish. Those are the water that I used to cook the fish, as I said before. We might need a little bit bigger bowl, but let's keep mixing. This is exactly the color I want. Yeah, the softness is good, the color is good. What I need to do, just to do now, is to check. The pepper is good. I just only need a pinch of salt. So I'm adding another 1 spoon, making it 4 of this one we use for the 8 cups of beans, and everything is inside. So I will test it again, because after this part you cannot add. Good, that's fine. I have deboned the fish, so just see, I have tried different ways of putting it in. I've used this deep spoon. It's still stained. I use this small one, also is still stained. I guess that no one will show you the struggle they go through while putting it. So all I believe, as I do, I will just rest it before cooking the same. I have 1 cup of water inside the pot. I just put that foil paper. Then I'll just add that one on top. So we'll start loading the mai. I don't want the pouch to reach deep down. That's why I'm putting it like that. So just to be sure that all the zipper were properly locked, that's why I'm rechecking it. I have added extra 1 more cup of water to it, and then yeah, cover. We cook for 45 minutes. It was cooked for 45 minutes, and then I off it like 10 minutes ago. Some of them full a little bit and they come out, but you can see the bag, they were still clean. So it means just few couple of one, like 2 to 4, that we have some split, like this one, maybe it was not properly closed, but anyway, it's fine. I will open it to the next part now. Then I'm just going to take this one that already opened. Wow. This one is very good. Okay, that is you can see inside the bag. Just you can reuse it, I believe so, but I will just make some research to know if you can reuse it. But I believe 100% you can reuse it, because nothing do it. It will be easy for you to wash and then keep them for the next use. So thank you for watching. If we appreciate you, and hope we see you next week. Please help us to share, subscribe, and then share. Thank you guys. Thanks. Bye.
Auntie Daniela, Daniela, smile. Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on